Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to build custom field history tracking in Salesforce in 2025. First, log into your Salesforce account. Click the gear icon at the top right and select Advanced Setup from the menu. Next, in the Quick Find search bar on the left, type Object Manager and select it. Here you'll see a list of all your Salesforce objects, including standard objects like accounts or contacts and any custom objects you've created. Choose the object you want to enable field history tracking for. After selecting your object, go to the left panel and click Fields and Relationships. At the top right, click Set History Tracking to start configuring tracking for this object. Now, check the box labeled Enable Object Name History. This activates history tracking for the entire object. Then select the specific fields you want to track. You can choose multiple fields depending on what's most important for reporting or auditing purposes. Once you've selected the fields, click Save to apply your changes. This ensures that all modifications are saved and that Salesforce will start tracking changes for your chosen fields. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.